Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open Trading 212 account. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for the Trading 212. After that, click on the first website that comes up the result and you will be redirected to this kind of web page. Here, click on Open Account and you will be asked to select your country or region. Once you have selected your region, choose the type of account you want to open like Invest, CFD, or ISA. I will choose Trading 212 Invest account. After selecting the account type, you will be asked to enter your email address and then create a strong password. After entering all of the required details, make sure to check mark this Terms and Policy box and then click on Create Account. Now you can see that your account has been created successfully and all of your account stats are being displayed here. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.